welcome guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Alright guys, what we're gonna do now, I want to show y'all something. Okay, this is a first gen PT Cruiser. Alright. Well, it's not that you can tell by the shifter, but you can, however, tell by the center console. Now, why is this in? Guys, I know all you PT Cruiser owner have to have experienced this once before. Okay, the shifter, very hard to move. Okay, in fact, well, you can't see this, you know how hard it is, but look, this is extremely hard. It's supposed to go brr, brr, brr. This is extremely hard. Okay. Oh, all right. So it's hard to shift in and out of gear. Now, bear in mind, I don't mean it's hard to shift from a transmission perspective. Okay. I mean the shift into gear. Okay. The shifter is very, very tight. Now, this could mean one or two things. All right. Follow me here. The shifter, okay, is a one-piece mechanism housed right here in the center console. Okay. Attached to the shifter is a cable that leads to the transmission. Okay, so when you move this backwards like this to go, let's say, into drive, you're essentially moving the cable on the transmission attached to a rod attached to the valve body that pulls that mechanism into drive. That's how it works. All right, now from time to time, quite often, you know, in reality, these stick. Now, why they stick, I don't know. It could be one or two things: the shifter or the cable. Could it be both? Yes, it could be, but highly unlikely that it's both. So, but the only way you're gonna find out, let's say if this is your car and this happened to you, first thing first, we have to disengage the transmission cable from the actual shifter. Okay. Now you could go out under the hood of the car. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. You could essentially go out here and remove it from the actual transmission. But the only thing you're doing, all right, I gotta clean all this up. But the only thing you're doing by removing, where's the connection? Right there. Can y'all see that? The cable. This is the cable that leads to the actual shifter inside the car. As you can see how it's connected. All right, so now you can simply pull that off of the transmission and then go back inside and see how well it shifts. But the only thing you're doing by doing that is verifying that the transmission is not the reason for the hard shift. And you know what, guys, that very well could be the case. Yes, you could have a stiff valve body, a stiff transmission. Okay, so don't cancel that out. But what I want you to understand is the best way to find out, or the easiest way, is actually that, unhooking it from the transmission. All right, so let me take that back. By doing that, you will isolate the shifter and the cable. Okay, so y'all want to do that first? Yes, let's do that first. Let's disassemble it from the transmission. All right, let me take a break, guys. I'll be right back. I got to find a pair of pliers. Hold tight. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to unhook the cable. All right, so I have it unhooked from the transmission. Let me see if I can get y'all a good look. Yes, y'all see it right there? It is no longer attached to the transmission. All right, now what you have done by doing that is we basically isolating the transmission as being the reason for the hard shifting or hard shifter. Now what you do now is get back in it and see, have shift efforts change. Oh, it's still hard, and it hasn't, guys. So all you did was determine that the transmission is not the cause. Now, step number 2, guys, what you're gonna have to do, because now it's a tie. It's 3 things that can cause this: the actual transmission, the shifter, or the cable. Very seldomly, or very rare, is it all 3. In some cases, it could be 2 out of 3, but most likely is 1 is the culprit. And I'm speaking about the shifter itself, the cable, and the transmission. Now, your next step should be, we have to remove the center console to gain access to the shifter mechanism. Okay, because what we want to do is visually, well, we're going to do the same thing we did at the transmission, guys. We're going to have to unhook the cable from the shifter and then try it again and see what our effort is like. All right, so let me get this center console off Oh man, they got all kinds of, it's likely, based on what I'm seeing right here, it's likely Coke, Pepsi, all down in that shifter, and it has become tight, guys. But I don't want to speculate. We don't diagnose cars that way, guys. So I'm gonna get the center console off and we're gonna check some more. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is what we need to see. Okay, now y'all see where the cable, this is the transmission cable that goes out to the transmission. Now, alright guys, so what I'm going to do is disconnect the shifter cable from the actual shifter and see how hard it is to shift. At this point, we're trying to isolate which one is the cause, the shifter or the actual cable. So stick your pry bar right there and oh, this is kind of difficult. Alright guys, I have the shifter off of, I have the shifter cable off of the actual shifter. Now we're going to see the level of difficulty to shift the car. Now, I see that? Extremely easy. So what that tells me, guys, is the problem is the actual cable. So y'all see how I went by to find out it was a tie. I mean, it could be either one of three things: the actual shifter, the cable, or the actual transmission. I've already unhooked it at the transmission. Now I unhooked it at the shifter, and as you can see, it's extremely easy. So guys, we need a shifter. All right, so we're gonna get a shifter put on here. Actually, I already have one, so we'll get started on this job right now. Oh, yeah. No, Alright guys, as y'all saw, we was able to get the old shifter out. Now I didn't bother filming this the correct way. This is not a tutorial video on how to replace the shifter cable. It's basically a tutorial on how to diagnose it while you're having a hard time shifting your car. Okay, so I have footage on actually how to replace this, and I'll upload that later. So I didn't want to record it again. But yes, this is the problem, guys. Internally, it's just binding internal. Okay. Like I say, one of three things it could have been: the transmission, the shifter, or the cable. Turned out it was the cable on this. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap this up. Y'all can see the new shifter in place. It's shifting fine the way it's supposed to right now. So we done, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.